Lot S97 is a 1958 Pontiac Bonneville convertible with a 370 cubic inch V8 engine with TriPower, an automatic transmission, and it's a AACA Grand National First Prize winner. And it bid to $112,500, but did not sell on Saturday, November 1st. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 15,106 miles. And the highlights are restored by Pontiac Restoration, Inc. in Jupiter, Florida. Restoration completed in June 1987. AACA Grand National First Prize winner in 1988. AACA National First Senior Prize in 1987. 370 cubic inch V8 engine, TriPower setup, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, power operated convertible top, boot cover, power adjustable split folding bench seat, Wonderbar push button radio, tissue dispenser, power windows, driver's side spotlight, dual exhaust, red steel wheels with full-size wheel covers, and white wall tires. And this one was a beauty, even being restored back in the 80s, 1988, 1987. They don't give the AACA Grand National First Prizes to just any vehicle or a National First Senior Prize. Those are usually reserved for the best of the best cars. And this one probably would have sold for a lot more if it was a fresh restoration and just received those awards. It could have potentially sold for double the price, but unfortunately that's with an older restoration, you're not going to get top dollar. And that's what happened with this one. It wasn't enough for the seller, so he ended up taking her back home and try her again down the road. That's all you can do sometimes. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.